a bodyguard. I name him bodyguard. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a bodyguard. My dad has plans.
Hi guys, good morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa Sweetwater Creek State Park. We're celebrating 23rd Family Fun Day Catfish Rodeo. So ayan guys ang lake. So may pinakawalan silang 2,500 na catfish dyan. 9 o'clock mag-start ang fishing. But every kid, dalawa lang yung pwedeng i-keep. Kasi maraming bata ngayon. Ayan. Medyo maaga kami. Kasi pag malate ka, wala ka ng pwesto dito. Maaga kami pumunta dito with our troop. Ayan. Doon sila guys sa puno ng kahoy. Ang ganda ng view. Medyo malamig kasi maaga pa. O yung iba pumwesto na doon. Kanya-kanyang pwesto na. So time check 8:30. Pipila tayo dito para sa bait at sa fishing rod. Kasi sila na yung nag-provide ng fishing rod para sa mga kids. There you go. Sila na din yung maglalagay ng mga parts ata. Ayan o. Sinisit up na nila. Para you still have 10 minutes. Okay?
That's right.
So, ayan yung kanilang bait and fishing rod, guys. Ayan. Ang daming fishing rod. So, we still have 5 minutes more to wait. Excited ng mga bata. 2 more minutes? Hindi na sila makapag-antay. Tanong na ng tanong. Ayan guys, ang dami ng tao. Ayan. Excited ang mga scout. Yung iba nag-fishing na ata. Hindi na naghintay. Nadaya sila.
Mama, don't get that thing too close to his face. You're distracting him.
Sure zoom.
No, Dad? No? Can I?
First cast.
Ooh, that's a good
Tingnan
cast.
natin kung makahuli si John Mark sa unang hagis.
It's a very good cast, buddy.
Yeah, wow. Perfect.
Yeah. There you go. Hold tight. These fish look big.
Yeah. Kanya-kanyang tapon na.
Is that a turtle?
What is that? Yeah, turtle.
Oh, they're biting. You see it? Just give it a minute. Okay, snag it.
There you go.
Good.
Yay!
Alright, let's get this one.
Wait.
Let's get...
You still on?
No.
Oh, I feel some weight. Yep, he's still on. Oh, I caught it.
A bluegill?
Yeah, I caught a bluegill.
It's too small.
It's a rare catch. Rare catch.
Bluegill. I caught it, bluegill.
Release.
Yay.
Oh, maliit. Hindi naman catfish. Bluegill naman yung unang huli.
Wait, bring over here.
Second cast. Yahoo!
Nice cast.
Wow, perfect. How I wish you catch the biggest one. Babe, help the baby, babe.
Hmm?
Help the baby.
Okay.
It's all about patience and strength.
John Mark, your worm is big or small? Oh, I saw that. Jumping fish.
You mean a flying fish?
It's not a flying fish. It's dying. No, it's not dying. It's not. It's alive.
Yeah.
Waiting for the second cast. Kung may mahuhuli ba si John Mark. Finally, nakahuli na si John Mark.
You just hold him like this?
No?
Like this?
No, no. You hold them like this.
Where's the flies?
Because their fins are very sharp.
Yeah.
You want to try?
Yay!
Yeah. You want me to take the, I'll take the hook out, okay?
I caught one!
Hold.
You put hot dog or worm?
Hot dog and worm.
Oh. Where's the flies? We have flies. Here's the flies, babe.
Hmm?
It's dangerous. Here's the
Oh,
flies.
okay,
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
Careful.
Yeah, you're gonna hurt him.
Hmm?
Gonna hurt him.
Sweet.
Yeah, he's gasping for air.
Mahirap tanggalin. There you go.
All right, we're gonna put them. Don't. We're gonna keep them.
Yeah. Are you gonna keep him?
Okay.
Yeah. They're all small.
Okay, we got it! We got it! Yoo-hoo! Got it! So got it! Puntahan natin yung ating mga friend kung may nahuli sila. Daming tao. Yan guys, so ang kapal na ng tao. Say hi! Hi, Steve! Puntahan ko yung aking mga Mexican friend. Ilan na kaya ang nahuli nila?
Yes.
Wow, it's big!
My first time catching it. Stay right there, Jay. Oh my God. Okay. Look at me.
Did you catch already?
Quítate de ahí, please. Muévete porque tengo un video ahí. Muévete porque tengo mi video. Jacqueline. I don't want. Ándale.
Hold it! Hold!
¿Qué quieres?
How many fish you catch? Two? Wow. It's not big, right?
A ver.
Not like before, very big.
Agárralo del otro lado, Katy.
Mira la snake, mire.
Picture, guys.
¡Ay, la culebra!
Párate pues, para que la veas. Ahí está el señor. Allá, María. Ahí viene, ahí viene.
Allá viene, ve. Allá viene, espere.
Snake.
Allá viene la culebra.
You see the snake in the front?
Oh, snake! Oh my goodness! Hey! Hello, my snake! Oh my goodness! Snake! 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 There's a snake! Ooh, snake!
¡Órale! ¡No! ¡No, niños! ¡Váyanse para allá!
It's not that fish. It's a snake. It's snake. It's snake.
¿Sabe nadar más que yo?
We got one.
We need more water.
This is fine.
We need more water. I know it. He's trying to fish. Swim. Hey, Dad, we need more water. We need more water. It's okay. We need that water bottle. We need that water bottle.
I think no more water here. Sobrang init na. Sunburn na si John Mark. Wala lang fish, naubos na guys. Sa dami pa naman ng tao eh. Di ba yun mauubos? Kapal ng tao doon, no? Tsaka mainit na. Lunch time na guys, so naglalakad kami dito sa kabilang lake papunta dito sa venue ng kainan. Ayan, free lunch, ano lang siya, hotdog and burger, kasi yun lang naman talaga ang mga kinakain nila dito, and free drinks na rin. Ganda ng view, o diba? Super relaxing place. Makikipila tayo dito. May ano rin sila dito guys, pritong isda ata. Kasi dati may pritong isda sila. Solid as no! Where's the pila here? Burger, hotdog.
Mr. Red!
Yeah, let me talk to him.
All right.
So ito na yung aming nahuli na catfish guys. Dalawa lang yung inuwi namin kasi yung friend ni John Mark ay wala siyang nahuli, so nag-share kami ng dalawa sa kanyang friend. Sharing is caring, right John Mark?
Mm-hmm.
So ang
Wait, my
gagawin,
friend's gonna be able to come?
huh?
My friend's gonna be able to eat?
Yeah, sure. So what we do is we need to clean first, okay? Ayan, bago natin ihawin ay lilinisin muna. So dito kami sa backyard magba-barbecue.